Strategic Management Process 5. Step 3 to 6. Strategic Goal to Evaluating the Performance. Step 3 is translating the mission into a strategic goal. Managers need a concrete guiding principle for the direction of the company. Vision is a general statement of an organization's intended direction. A mission is more purpose-oriented, but it is still too broad, so the mission should be translated into specific guidelines. Also, target amounts should be established, such as a sales target and a profitability target. Such strategic goals should be achievable and should reflect a realistic assessment of the current and projected business environment. Let's look at the strategic goal of Fast Retailing Company Limited. Its mission statement was "Create truly great clothing." Subsequently, types of clothes are more concretely expressed, such as universal clothing that appeals to all tastes. The target for sales in 2020 is 5 trillion yen. It is the largest share of the clothing market in the world, far beyond that of Gap. Step 4 is formulating a strategy to achieve the strategic goal. Strategy is an action-oriented description. It shows a course of action for how the company will move from the business it is in now to the business it wants to be in, as stated in its vision, mission, and strategic goals. It should be a workable set of actions that reflect the company's opportunities and threats and its internal strengths and weaknesses. SPA is a slogan describing the way fast retailing pursues business. SPA is an acronym for Specialty Store Retailer of Private Label Apparel. An understanding of past business performance is built largely on the study of strategies. Strategies are hierarchically categorized into 3 types. As intensive study is required concerning strategy issues, we'll discuss it in detail in the following slides. Step 5 is implementing the strategy. Strategy implementation is translating the strategy into actions and results. Whereas strategy is action planning, implementation is action itself. This is the stage of actually hiring people, building plants and inventory, and producing products or services. Although this lecture is focusing on planning, implementation also relates to other parts of the management process, such as organizing, leading, and controlling. Step 6 is evaluating the performance. Strategies don't always work out. For example, if the government loosens the restrictions on drug shopping on the internet, an over-the-counter sales shop should change its strategies. Thus, managing strategy is an ongoing process. Strategy control keeps the company's strategy up to date. It is the process of assessing the progress towards strategic goals and taking remedial action as needed. Now we have the whole picture of the step-by-step process of strategic management. So, beginning with the next slide, let's focus on the core part of these processes: strategies.